everybody, I'm Corinne Blackstone and welcome to my craft room. Today's video is a super exciting one because we are going to unbox the mystery movie night box that I partnered with 143 Vinyl on.
Whatever we would do it just for fun.
Now, before we get started, be sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. That way you don't miss out on any of the awesome tutorials I have for this box, plus all the other great stuff coming up. There are some really fun videos on the horizon. This box is one that we have been working on for a while and even got to have fun conversations about together while we were in Vegas, and I'll link below the video that they released of our time in Vegas. It was so much fun. We got to meet so many amazing people and each other for the first time, so it was really, really great. But without further ado, let me show you what you're gonna get in the box, and this does include a few exclusives, so I'm really excited about those. We've been working really hard to make sure that you guys get some really fun stuff in this box that you can't get anywhere else. So the first thing we're gonna start with is adhesive vinyl. So you are going to get some black, and this is STARCRAFT HD, one of my favorites. This pretty much comes in all of my mystery boxes because it's really versatile, and I feel like black is a color that everybody uses. You're also going to get white, of course, because who doesn't need white vinyl too? And it's super, again, versatile. You're gonna have a lot of extra vinyl too, so you'll be able to do like your own projects with these. And then I also included some gold chrome and some red chrome. These are so pretty and so perfect for like a movie night. They add that little bit of glitz and glam like you go into the Oscars. I thought those ones were going to be really fun, and if you haven't used those before, this is going to be a great introduction to them for you. And then some yellow STARCRAFT HD, which you can kind of switch out for the gold. There's a few designs in here that you can really kind of use your own color palette with, so don't feel like just because I say you have to use gold, you can use the yellow as well if you want, or any color that you really want to. But I wanted to try to kind of keep a theme going with the box, and you'll see it in just a minute. Now, the first exclusive I'm going to show you is the Popcorn Cinema pattern. This is a really fun exclusive patterned vinyl that you're going to get. This is printed on STARCRAFT HD, which means it is a high quality permanent vinyl, and I just think that the pattern is absolutely precious. But this one is me, and if you follow Kate on 143 Vinyl at all, this one is our favorite. This is the Berry Cozy Movie Night, and they're little kawaii bears with some popcorn and some 3D glasses. And this one's just a really fun one on a light blue background. But again, this is a box exclusive, so you're not going to be able to find this anywhere else. Now, on to the HTV that you get in the box. And again, you're going to have leftover HTV, which means you're going to be able to use this on other projects. So the first one we have, and this looks like just a standard white HTV, right? This is not. This is a really fun 3D puff from STARCRAFT. I absolutely love this stuff. It's really fun, and it's going to make a really cute little puffy part to one of our designs. It's really cute, and I can't wait to show you how to work with that. Then we have the red SISER Twinkle. This one's beautiful. So there are two types of this SISER product, and one is twinkle and one is sparkle. And I love the twinkle because all the glitter in it is all the same color of the vinyl. So this is all red glitter, and it's super shiny. And here's where kind of the theming comes together. I've got the gold as well in the SISER Twinkle. This is so sparkly, and you're getting a pretty big sheet of this, which means you're gonna have quite a bit left over, so you're gonna be able to do some really fun projects with it as well. And then of course we have black, because you can always use black. And again, you'll have leftovers, so it's a great project that you can really like use on other things. We also included yellow. Both of these are the STARCRAFT SOFTFLEX, my favorite HTV. And then we have some exclusives. So we have 3 exclusives for your HTV. So you're gonna get the Popcorn Cinema in HTV in a printed pattern. You're also going to get Berry Cozy Movie Night in the printed pattern. I realized I had it upside down. This one, really super cute. But then this is the one that we are so, so excited about. And ignore the fact that mine has some silver over here. Mine was a tester, so that we didn't, waste any of the extras. But this is a sparkle printed pattern. This one is called Star of the Show. It's got little kind of like silvery stars all over it. They kind of look like constellations. Really, really fun, and this is a really pretty product. And again, you're gonna have quite a bit of this left over, so you're gonna be able to make some really cool projects with this as well. I really wanna make sure when I give you these mystery boxes that you're not using all of the product on the box stuff themselves. I want you guys to be able to take some of these products and use them to create things of your own. Now, I did include some blanks with this as well. So I'm gonna tell you these cups are actually already color changed to their cold color. My house must be just cold enough, but you're gonna get 2 cups, 2 lids, and 2 straws, and these are the color changing cups. This one goes green to this purple, and then this one goes like orange to this red. Really pretty. These are super fun. But again, my house just must be so cold that like they just already change. I love those cups. We use them all the time. Then to go with your cups, you're going to get a set of coasters. Now what's really fun about these coasters is you can sublimate on them or you can use vinyl. So we're gonna do one of each. That way you can really see the difference and like how you can do them if you have a sublimation printer. But if not, have no fear. You can use vinyl on them and they still come out extra cute. And then this is going to be, for now, a box exclusive, but I do believe that 143 is working on possibly releasing this as a product. Now, it looks blue, but this is white acrylic, and this is a white acrylic sign. I wanted to leave the cover on it just so that we wouldn't like scratch it, but it has these little stand pieces, which I always like struggle when I'm trying to put them in because I'm blind and I can never like quite get it. There we go. And it comes with a little stand. And you just kind of slide the stands on. And they slide in easier than I'm making it look. I just clearly am blind as a bat. But they slide in here, and then you're going to be able to like stand it up. Again, I make this look like it's a trial. It is not. I promise this is easier when I'm not trying to do it on camera. But they come with the 2 little stand pieces, and then this 8x10. And what's really cool about this is it's dry erase. Tell me that is not so fun. That was something that for me was really important because I wanted this sign to be reusable, and because it is white, it's not see-through. So you could really use both sides and do, you know, different things with it. So it doesn't have to just be for the movie box. You could do the movie box on one side and then do like a countdown on the other side, or, you know, like a menu on the other side. There's a lot of options, but because it's double-sided, you can absolutely do that. And it's white acrylic, so I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it is white. I'll peel up the little corner down here. It's already peeling up a little bit. But see, it's white. So this is really fun because you'll be able to use it for multi-purpose things, which I think is great. I love a craft that can be used in multiple ways. I am not a girly that likes to like just use it for one thing. And then last but not least included in the box is this super cute white tote. Now this tote is going to be great for taking all of your snacks and your cups and everything into your living room to get all cozy with, or you can use it and take it out and don't tell anyone I said this, but sneak candy into the movies. So this is a really cute one. And again, what's great about this is actually a sublimation tote. So we're going to be able to sublimate on it, but you can also put HTV on it too. So I'm going to show you both things. We're going to do HTV on one side and we'll do sublimation on the other. That way you can see the 2 different options. And the files that come with this are so cute, you guys. I'm super excited. Make sure you download those. And this is just a really quality bag. I think it's a nice size. It's like good stitching. So I'm really excited. I have several of these and I use them all the time. Now, not included in your box, you're going to want to grab some cardstock. I'm just going to add a few more like fun things that you can do with your movie box, but you'll need some cardstock and a printer or a CRICUT pen. And then I would also recommend having a tray, and you can get a tray from At Home if you have one of those, the Dollar Tree. There's so many places just to get a small tray. And the last thing that you'll need is a blanket. Now again, those are optional and just extra things that I wanted to kind of throw in as ideas as what you can add to the box. We wanted to really keep the box at a good price point while still offering you lots of really fun ideas to make a movie night really special and super fun. We're going to be making some really cute movie tickets that you can also use as little coupons to give your kids so that they can buy snacks for their movie. We're going to make a really cute little movie candy bag thing. It's going to kind of like go over the candy box just to make it really fun, cute, and personal. And then we'll also do some little tags for our snacks as well. You'll be able to grab all those files to make those super simple with these downloads as well for the stuff in the box, but I just really wanted to give you guys a few extra little things that you can do to really jazz up your movie night and not cost you anymore, but add a little extra value to what you're already getting. So if you have any questions about the movie box, I will be more than happy to answer those for you. Make sure you put those in the comments down below. Now, chances are the movie box has sold out because it's going to sell out really quickly. So if you missed out on it, make sure that you're following me on all my social media channels. I put information about this box on all of the channels. That way nobody misses out. But if you're not following me, you're not going to see when I release things like this. So you can follow me here on YouTube by just hitting subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. I'll link that down below. Just make sure you follow me over there. You can join my Facebook group and follow me over on Facebook too. And don't forget, I also post on TikTok. Everything will be linked down below for super easy access for you. Make sure that you are following, and I can't wait to show you all of the different things that are coming from this box. I think some of these designs are going to be super cute and super fun. So thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing. I'm really excited. I have been waiting forever to get this box out to you guys. We've been working on it for so long, so I hope that you are as excited as I am. I will see you very soon with our first tutorial.